Hey guys, just a quick update here. If you watched my previous video on should you use an SSD cache if you're running a Plex server on your Synology NAS, and my answer was no. Well, at least don't go out and specifically buy one for it because it really doesn't do much. So here we have, after quite a lot of use, we're using a whopping 2% of a 1/4 terabyte stick, 3 gigs. That's all it's using. It's only hitting the thumbnails and the metadata, and nothing has changed at all on the user experience. We just have a slightly faster pop-in speed for the thumbnails. That's it. Nothing else is different. You can see here that we're averaging 74% for the cache hit rate, and that's just when you scroll through the menus. So I just wanted to give you an update on that. And another quick update, I am almost out of space. Tomorrow I've got 5 new 50 terabytes, 50 terabytes worth of, that sounds very strange to say, worth of new drives coming in. So I'm going to be swapping those out. I am running in the SHR, so I can remove and replace one drive at a time, let it rebuild itself, and upgrade that way with no downtime. So that's pretty cool. And here's one last quick tip. If you go into your control panel, you can see if there are any updates for your Synology itself. And if you go in Package Center, this is where you can update any of the installed apps or servers that you have running on it. However, with Plex, you do not want to update it through Package Center. This is like the Synology App Store, just like the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Same thing. So you can install and upgrade things directly here. However, all the versions on here of whatever it is are only those that are stored and managed by Plex. If you look in Plex itself, here in your dashboard, if there's a new version out, you'll see an update here. You can download it, you save it to your desktop, and then in your Synology, you go to manual install right up here, and then you just point to the file you downloaded. That's always going to be a much more up-to-date file in the case of Plex than doing it through here. So never use the built-in Synology store, do the manual install. And a new version just came out yesterday with some pretty cool new features, and that's how you need to update your Plex. See you next time.